Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are across the globe. Welcome to Competent 10, Week 7. How is everybody? Can somebody confirm that you can hear me? I increased my volume. Hope you can hear me. All right. And also, can somebody confirm that you can see my computer? Fantastic. Thank you so much, Kathleen. Thank you, Dai. I appreciate your response. Kathleen, I have to go one-on-one with you about opening the Excel file, okay? But for now, are there any general questions? I do have some time after my lecture, okay? The lecture will just about 45 minutes. After that, we take a break. You do the training. At the same time, if you have individual questions, okay, I'm happy to help you out. Okay. First of all, thank you so much for being here on time. I really appreciate your participation. Hope your week is going well. This is our week 7. Last week, we started Microsoft project. This was last week, okay? Project. Oops. So we did just study from John, maybe here. We give you the examples and you're supposed to complete training for Excel Module 1, some exam Module 1, Excel Project A, okay? So those from last week, week 6. Today, we'll do Module 2, formatting workbook, text and data. By the end of this session, you would be able to working with the font style, font color, okay? Manipulate background image, working with the formulas to manage data, okay? And format the numbers either in currency format or percent format, dealing with dates and time, and format the cell. Okay? Also merge a group of cells. So that is session 1. And session 2, specifically, we did average function last class, okay? And we are also going to show you what is the sum function, minimum function, maximum function, okay? And again, dealing with the cell style, use format painter, okay, to have consistent formatting. Change workbook themes using conditional formats, and prepare the worksheet for printing. So these are this week, week 7. Next week, week 8, is intersession week. No class, no modules. Relax, catch up, okay? Recharge yourself. Hope you come back in week 9 energized, okay, fresh. So when we come back from reading week, we'll do module 3, that is week 9. So today is week 7. Week 7, week 9, we'll do module 3. And the next week is reading week. Okay, so that is the roadmap for what we are going to cover. In terms of the evaluations, remember each week we have similar items. Little dog is barking me. And make sure you check out the announcement on a regular basis. Okay, so last week we did this Excel module 1, and today we will do Excel module 2. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we are going to do today. Just modify this one. I will create announcement. Today is week 7. So this is about week 7 learning activities. Attendance is required and participation is appreciated. So today we are going to do Excel module 2 training, 0.5%, module 2 sum exam, 0.5%, and module 2 project A, okay, due midnight of Friday, that is project. Sum exam due midnight of class day. Training is due in class, okay? And in class, I will demonstrate a small example about module 2. Every lecture recording are posted on the Blackboard on Collaborate menu, and then go to recordings, okay? So that is the agenda for this week, okay? Okay. So this is one place you can check the announcement. Another place, usually I will go to the, also send you the email. So when I send email, I will just copy and paste from the Blackboard, and I will send email to everyone. So I will type in CRN. This is 29, and this is Comp 1010, week 7. So hope you get email. Okay, for every important items, I do this announcement on Blackboard and also email. So check your email and the Blackboard for updates. Okay. So any questions about week 7 today? What we're supposed to do? We do 3 items after my demonstration. Okay. So let me check if I have any questions. Remember I said attendance is taken. So I'm going to take attendance and then I will start a short example. So I'm going to copy your name, participants, Control C, and open my I heard questions. I'll go back to the question. Give me 1 second, okay? So this is my Wednesday class attendance. I have the same class tomorrow morning. Try to open this one. Why not open? Excel. This is math. Oh, this, okay. All right, so this is a Wednesday class. Okay, those are my extra calculations. So today is week 7. Not this one. I need to copy the student name here. Copy. And then. All right, so hope you can see your name. Okay. So now I will check message. I see one message. Good morning, Doris. Thank you. It's so nice of you to say hello to everyone. Okay. All right. Any questions before I start the lecture? Okay. Good morning, Mario. All right. So I'm going to give you a small example. Okay. So this example, in this example, I will explain the major concept listed here on module week 7. Okay, I will give you example. This example I created by my own. You cannot find this example anywhere, but you can find similar example in the textbook. Okay. All right. So I'm going to open a new blank Excel file. So let me see what I will try to keep multiple windows opened. Okay. So my little dog, be quiet, Nori. So now I open a new blank Excel. So this is my Excel. Try to manage the window. If you want to increase the font size for all, one way you can, on bottom right corner, you have zoom button. See? You can zoom in, zoom out. On bottom right, zoom in, zoom out. Okay. And on bottom left corner, you have sheet 1. Now I want to create a documentation sheet. Usually a documentation sheet is like a cover page. Okay, type in your name, what is this project about, the date, etc. So I will double click sheet 1 to change the name of the sheet to documentation. Okay. So double click. See, I changed the name. This is worksheet. Okay. And on this documentation, type in my name here in cell A1 and format this cell so that it is bold and maybe has a fair color. Okay. And then you need to type in today's date. Not you need. So if you want to type in today's date, Excel has a function called today. So you type in equal. Any formula in Excel start with equal. You type in today, T-O-D-A-Y, today, opening, closing bracket, press Enter key. So you have today's date. When you open this worksheet, when you open this workbook, tomorrow, the date will be automatically updated. So tomorrow, when you open this workbook, the date will automatically becomes October 21st, 2021. Okay. Now I'm going to type in what in this small example, what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you an example for Excel module 2. Okay. As you can see, this is there are many words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words here. Okay, if you want to put wrap text, you do this. Go to home so that it is in multiple line. Home, and then under the alignment group, you have wrap text under text control section. So click OK button. See, it is appeared in multiple lines. It is actually in row 1, still in one row, but appeared in multiple lines here, 3 lines here. Okay, that is my documentation sheet. Okay, and now if you want to change the theme color, you can go to page layout, the themes. Under page layout, you have themes. Okay. And you can choose a different themes. Okay. For example, if I want to choose organic, so this is the organic. You pick this one, and this is the organic themes. Okay, let me see, page layout, oops. So anyway, this is the place you can find the themes. Okay. Maybe select all, page layout. Okay. Try to see the effect. If you can maybe blend. Okay. So now I want to add a worksheet. On the bottom right corner, click the plus sign. This is a new worksheet. Again, on bottom right corner, oops, my mouse is not working well. Use the zoom button. You can zoom in, zoom out. Okay. So this is my second worksheet. Remember in first class, we said one document, one workbook can have many worksheets. Okay. There is a question. Is this an assignment? This is an example. Thank you for your question, Doris. Okay. The assignment I posted here. Where is the assignment? The assignment has 3 items here. Training 0.5%. Okay. Training 0.5%. Some exam 0.5%. Excel module 2. Project A. Those are assignments. Check out your email and the Blackboard announcement. Right now, I am doing example to illustrate what involved in module 2. Okay. All right. So suppose you are the manager of a small business. You want to keep track of your monthly sales. Okay, monthly sales. So from January to December. Okay, you want to keep track of your monthly sales. So in A1, you type in sales. Maybe I will start with B1. You type in January. Once you type in January, and then type in February, and then you select both January and February. Oops, select January and February. And then put your mouse pointer on bottom right corner until you see File Handle. Click and drag to the right. When you drag to the right, you see different months appeared. See May, June, July, August, etc. So keep on doing this until you see December. December here. Release your mouse. And this is one important and frequently used function in Excel. It is called autofill. or copy formula. Okay, use fill handle. I just type in January, February, and then I click and drag. The computer automatically gives me different months. You can double click between column to best fit the column. Okay. So any questions using the autofill? Using the autofill. Okay. Thank you, Brian Jeff, for your response. Once you have this, now I need your help. I need your help. Give me some numbers. So this is the month. Okay. And then we have sales. This is for small business, just suppose. Okay. So the unit may be in $1,000. So I will give you an example. So January sales is 25,000. This is small business, okay? January sales is 25,000. The unit is 1,000. Maybe I type in sales here and bracket 1,000. Now, everyone, I need your participation. Give me the number for February, March, April, etc. until December. I want to use your number. What is the sales for February? Just thank you, Mariana. Fabulous. Thank you, Doris. I need more. I need until December, guys. Dave, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Kathleen. I need more. See, keep on going, guys. I need until December 48. Thank you, Vaishnavi. Thank you, Doris. Thank you, Dave. Keep on going. I need 4 more numbers. 23, thank you. October. 75, thank you, Bridget. Thank you, Dave. Okay, I need 1 more number for December. 39, thank you, Mariana, again. Fabulous. Thank you all for your contribution. So this is my sales. Okay, this is my sales. But this is just, for example, this is I have several locations, and this is the sales for location in Toronto. Okay, so I change this. This is the sales for Toronto location. And I also have business in Ottawa. So I'm going to just copy this down. I also have sales in Ottawa. And then I have sales in Vancouver. See, I just created this example out of my head, okay? Okay, so based on the number you helped me, I want to create some random number to save some time to type individual number, okay? So it looks like the minimum number you gave me, okay, let me do this, okay? I want to calculate what is the minimum number you gave me. What is the maximum number you gave me? Remember those numbers you gave me, okay? So I want to use this number to introduce formula for minimum and maximum. So for minimum, you type in equal min, opening bracket, and then you select from B2 to M2. So that is the minimum. Calculate the minimum from January to December. So the minimum is 23. Okay. Next, calculate the maximum. So type in equal max, opening bracket, then select from B2 to M2, B2 to M2, okay, and then press enter. So maximum is 75. This is the number you gave me. Thank you again. Now I want to randomly create sales number for Ottawa. I want to say, okay, maybe Ottawa number anywhere between 23 to 75. Okay, so I'm going to create rand number. So rand between, so it is random number. I want to save time to type in individual time, individual data. Okay, so minimum number 23, maximum number 75. Okay, so I want a number between 23 and 75. So it gave me this. So now I use the fill handle. And this is one of the beauty, one of the powerful skills in Excel is that you can use the fill handle to copy down the data, to copy down the formula. How? Put your mouse on bottom right corner until you see fill handle. This guy is fill handle, the solid cross. This one is not. This is four-headed arrow. This one is not. This is not solid cross. So you have to see this button here. Okay, this small little cross. Quick, hold down your mouse, drag it until December. Wow, so you created a random number to save you some type. Okay, and now you continue copy down for Vancouver location. Okay, with the data from January and December for Ottawa selected. Okay, so make sure the data is selected from B3 to M3. Put your mouse pointer until you see fill handle on cell M3. Quick and drag down. Quick and drag down. You want to create number for Vancouver location. Release your mouse. So you get Vancouver location. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay. Now I want to see See, you can select themes. Okay, go to the page layout. Quick maybe basis. This is basis theme. Okay. This is a dividend theme. Okay, so maybe let's select this theme. See, the theme changed. Okay. Okay, so once you have this data, what you can do with this data? Let's first of all format this data in currency. Okay, I want to see dollar sign. Okay, so select from B2 to M4, and then go to home. This dollar sign is the currency. Okay, so just click this dollar sign so that it has a dollar sign. Okay, with 2 decimal places. If you do not want 2 decimal places, you click this button. Okay, decrease decimal place. You have 1 decimal place. Continue click it. You have 0 decimal place. Okay, so I formatted the data in currency format. Okay, currency format. Now I want to calculate what is the average sale for January. Average sale for January. So type in quick average. January sale for average is this three number. Okay, so you type in equal average. AVERAGE is the average. And then you select from B2 to B4. Closing bracket. Sometimes you do not use closing bracket. You directly press enter. It also works. So the average for January is 33. Do you want to repeat yourself to calculate average for February, March, April until December? Do you want to do 11 calculations or not? Or do you have a better way to calculate average for February, March, April until December? Can somebody give us an idea? If you also want to calculate February average, March average until December average, what would you like to do so that it is more efficient, it is more fast, it is fast, it is efficient, and it is accurate? Any suggestions? What do I do with February average, March average? Remember one important skills, one powerful functions in Excel is fill handle to copy down the formula. Okay, so you put your mouse on bottom right corner in cell B5 until you see it fill handle. This is fill handle. This is not fill handle. This is not fill handle. This is fill handle. Okay. Click and drag it to the right. You automatically produce the average for February, March until December. You automatically calculate the average. Okay. Any questions? And now, if I want to format cell A1, I want to use fill color. You click this fill color here. Okay. And then remember this Excel module 2 also introduced how do you use painter, format painter. It is the same as how do you use format painter in Microsoft Word. So you click cell A1, click home, and this button is format painter. Click it. There's a problem with the paste. Okay. And then you click cell A5. See, you used format painter. Okay. Okay. So now let's do the conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting. Let's say out of these numbers, I want to highlight some numbers that is smaller than 50. Okay, so I go to select this data range, go to home, and then conditional formatting. Conditional formatting. I want to cell that less than 50. Okay. So format cells that are less than 50 with maybe red fill with dark red text. You can choose different options. There are many options here. Okay. So click OK button. See, those number less than 50 in this light red fill. That is a conditional formatting. Okay. So this is a conditional formatting. Any questions so far? And you can also apply cell style. For example, if I click cell B1, then you go to Home, Tab, under the Styles, select Cell Style. Okay. You can select, for example, Themed Cell Style, 20% Ancient, pink, or you can select this one, Sky Blue, 20% Ancient 5. So see, the cell style in B1 is different. You apply the cell style. Okay. Next, we are going to use found and replace. Okay. So select maybe all the headings. If you want to use the short form for January, you go to Home, select row 1 first, Home, and then Found select under the editing group, okay, and quick replace. So quick found what? Found January, and replace with the short form for January, GAN. Okay. Quick replace. Okay. Can't find a match. GANU. It said can't find a match. GANU. January. It said can't find a match. Maybe I need to try to redo it to see what's happened. Found and replace. I want to find January. JANUARY. JANU. I want to replace with JAN. Replace. Can't find a match. Not sure what happened. I will figure this out. Okay, but anyway, this is the way you do the find and replace, similar to the Word. Go to Home, Find, select. Okay. And next, we are going to indent these cells, these 3 locations. Okay. Toronto, Ottawa, Vancouver. So I select them all. I go to Home. Go to the Home. This is the indent. Okay, increase indent. So you see it is indented. Okay. So those are basic skills in module 2. Okay, as we go back here. So I illustrated most of those skills. Okay, we did we do the average functions. Okay, cell styles. We use the format painter. We apply the themes, conditional formatting. Okay, we dealing with the date. Okay, indent. We did the indent. Okay, we did the formula. Okay, any questions? Any questions? Remember, you need to do these 3 items. So I finished my example. I finished the demonstration. Now let's take a break. Make sure you take care of yourself, both physically and mentally. Stretch, get some fresh air, okay? So when we come back, you just need to do the training. And I'm here. I have an individual student. If you need help, you are welcome. After we take a break, I want to help you one by one, one-on-one. Okay? So any questions? Let's say, when do we come back? Any questions before I officially announce break? Any questions? Okay, so now I'm going to make a note here. So this is our week 7 break now. Back at 8:55 for what? For training. That is 0.5%, or for individual questions. All right, so I'm going to stop recording. Everybody.